Hey. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to install my lonerider soft bags right after this. Let's just finish the job off, guys. Hey, welcome back to my bike shed. Yeah, I was messing around in here until nearly 2 o'clock this morning. Well, last morning when you see that. And I'm just at the moment changing over, hold on, to these. They are my brand spanking new lonerider bags, so I'm really looking forward to those. And all I have to do is obviously, use the mounting frame from my old SW Motec ones, take these off, install the new mounting gear, and then I should be okay. First thing I have to do is get all these fittings off. What shouldn't take me long. There we go. Oops, a daisy. I just want to show you a trick what I learned from my old granddad, and he worked for a company who more or less lacquered undercarriages for trucks, so he should know his stuff. And he had a bicycle. He had the same bicycle for about, I would say 40 years, and it looked like new. And the reason why, whenever he worked on it or cleaned it or washed it down, he always used white spirit to wipe it down and clean it. His argument was it takes all the dirt off and leaves a little film of oily residue behind it. Just that tiny little bit, who saves your stuff from corroding. I have to open the door and it half smells in here of turpentine. Right, the fittings. First of all, I need some coffee. 1 second. Brown water. Right, so all it is, there's more stuff in here, but what we need is, 1 second, we need, nope, no way. Oh, come on. Here they are. There are 2 other brackets. You also get these extra brackets with it. They are for, hold on, when you have these recessed panniers, who go like on a BMW, you use that, but my stuff is straight, so I don't need them. So these are the brackets who have to go on. That end goes into the bags, and then you tighten them up so they stay in place, and just that goes around the bars and you're done with it. Right, so have a look at the back. They slide in and then they anchor themselves. And now we do the same thing down here. Excellent. We are in place. So that's it. Let's put the first bracket on so they don't fall off, and then I'll show you in more detail how they go on. So excellent. So all I have to do is tidy them up, but before I do this, I sort those ones out on the bottom because they need to be put in place first so I can move and pull that off in one go without having any hassle. So I think what I do is I think it's easier if I just take them off again and then put them in place. So right, all we have to do is, one second, all we have to do is now tidy these up, put them down properly as we want them, and just make sure they are straight. Yeah. I mean, that's why I don't use it. I can't measure anything, but you know, it's just a little bit of work. It's just fine. It's not rocket science. Just put the stuff on as quick as you need to. There's no problem there. So that's it. Right, let's put it back on. Okay, so that is it. Absolutely lovely. All done. Have a look in there. Waterproof, 100% waterproof. And just open it up. Let's put that down here without much shaking. 1 second. 100% waterproof. And then you have, for all the bags, and in the bag, what is waterproof as well, so you can lift the stuff out in one go. It's absolutely brilliant. You do not have to mess around with these big things. And then all I do is really, at this moment in time, I just put these bags in the bottom for everyday use if I'm not going on a tour. And hold on, because all my stuff is anyway in dry bags. So open that thing up, throw it all in. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to go and squash down. All you have to do is roll this up on the top. Hold on a second, I'll just move that over here so you see it a bit better. Okay, so what you do is you've got your stuff in there, one, twice, put it in like that. Best thing is put a strap on here, this strap on here, and you have a down strap like that. Obviously tied it up, that's tight and perfect. And here you can actually put a lock in, what is supplied, by the way. There's a room for a lock right here, you see, and that's supplied with a kit, so you don't have to buy any extra lock. Absolutely brilliant. Obviously if you ride all day or you go in and out, you just don't put the lock on, because the straps here on the side, they keep everything tidy. That's really just for safety. So, you know, if you're just traveling, you don't leave the bike alone, you just throw the lock on the inside and your job's is good. And the nice thing is, because they're semi-rigid and not out of metal, they just don't rattle that much. What really got on my nerves was these aluminium bags. if you just put something in it just for a short moment and it's not really wrapped up in something shock absorbing or it's metal to metal, it just rattles all the time. And if you go a little bit off-roading, even if it's just a slight country road or gravel road with a few bumps in it, it just makes such a racket in it after a while. You feel like it just drives you nuts. Yeah, and one thing really is, when I have Susie with me and, you know, her legs are resting here, and if we fall over, that has plenty of give in it, so the chances are we get away with it. With the aluminium box, if you get your leg underneath them, you had it. You have to be honest about it. In my opinion, that is super dangerous, and that's the reason why I would not put my wife through that, and hence I got myself these. That was actually my primary concern, safety first. But they look cool. I like them. Let's have a quick look how they mounted. Pretty solid with 4 strong brackets, 8 bolts. That is okay. Can't fault it. I think that's pretty good, guys. I think that's it. Very short video from the bike shed, all about installing my Lone Rider backs on a rig from SW Motec. Really, that's what it is. And then moving on, maybe tomorrow I change the wheels over. And then I think we are done for my winter preparation. The muffs, the ugly muffs, they stay on over the winter to keep the rain out and the cold. They stay on over the winter just in case I drop the bike. And there's always a chance with me. And then having the knobby tires on it, at least I can do a little bit of gravel road riding, because in 2 weeks' time I'm going up to the Lake District and I'll do some videos, and I really enjoy that. You know, for a long weekend riding, beginning of December, that will be cold, but something to look forward to. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, let me know, please. Subscribe to my channel. Forgive me if I'm not the big mechanic, but I'm not. I'm just sometimes make this stuff up as I go along with a bit of common sense. That always got me where I wanted to be. So guys, any questions about anything I am using here, just put it in the comment section below and give me your thoughts. Thank you very much for your time. Ride safe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would be rather brilliant. Until next time, guy. Bye.